It's not the
Sophisticated
first
door
time I've
lock
seen
opening.
something like this.
Now this has got a very sophisticated door locking and alarm system. I don't know how you're going to open it up without the alarm going off. Nothing else.
I just started eating, I just changed, was about to hop in the shower.
With that tool.
Let's see if I can
witnessed-
get this.
This is all new to me. But all three of them are on one ring right now.
Excuse me.
Usually when the cops do this, they bang your door and they don't fix it. Pull straight up. That's quick.
There we go. Thanks.